Again, you can Google the Rains list or look up the Rains list on YouTube. It's disclosed in the Rains list how they wear claws to claw their victims. Human hunting parties, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates. So no Norfolk Bacon SS, Windsor Gestapos, the local Nazis. Their blue van full of 7 monster lies, 7 bogus diagnoses. They want everyone to believe are true, but never the case 39 on all accounts. This Mason Council, White Lodge, the local mafias, the local mob, and all their cronies, spies and informers, pushing all their mad monster lies, bogus diagnoses and death threats in this Norfolk, UK. But certainly no Black Panther, serial killer here. Certainly not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killing Fields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. See Prince Harry, the Spare for details. And there's a good film also, The Final Girl, Rich Boys Hunting Young Girls for blood sport. Again, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates. Now was full moon last night, the flower moon. Plenty of hosts for the hungry, bloodthirsty beasts in high places. Certainly no hosts for the beast here. Prince of Darkness, ET hybrid hosts, red dragons. Their high royal blue crime, New Year's Day fine, September blue murder. Certainly not mine. Not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killing Fields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. See Prince Harry, the Spare for details, the word that came off the Royal Sandringham estate, Killing Fields, laid and clear. And no 3 girls in my pizza van when I worked at Pizza Plus. I've just come out about the rape of Britain, also the capital, London, groom and rape gangs. But there are plenty of grooming gangs in high places. Plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, and certainly not mine. Again, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates. And certainly no Red Car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe, Steve Wright, Wayne CouZens, Brady Huntley, Fred West, Black Panther, serial killer here, really don't think so. Certainly no Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer, Black Wizard terrorist, this shooter, really don't think so. And again, police surrounding my frame, fixed coder at Hitcham, calling for backup. North Norfolk coast, 7 miles from Sandringham, where I was staying in a disused beach hut. Nicely set me up as the Black Cat, copycat, Black Cat of Burston, Son of Sam, Black Panther, Sandringham serial killer, really don't think so. And again, they will pay to make you disappear or to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, and certainly not mine.